Hello guys, I hope you all are fine and well. So this video is all about the people who are looking for the job, who want the job, but they do not know how to get the job and what are the skills required to acquire that job. Talent acquisition is there in every particular company in order to give you the job. They hire you, tell you some terms and conditions about the company and of the job. There are many job descriptions that are given to you, and moreover right now, as I can see and as we can see, there are many people who are 12th pass only. They are driving their car in order to earn bread and butter. That's a good thing. They are working in a company. But moreover right now, if I'll talk about today's world, if you want to work in MNC as well, or if you want to work in corporate, you must have a degree of graduation. Earlier, when I completed my graduation, at that time graduation was around 3 years, and I have done my post graduation in marketing with HR from Bharati Vidyapeeth. That is for 2 years, which was for 2 years earlier. But now the UGC and the government has made certain changes in the graduation and post graduation criteria. Number one is that graduation has been the time frame or the year for completion of graduation has been changed from 3 years to 4 years, and you can do post graduation in 1 year. On the other hand, if you are planning to go for graduation, then please must do. If you are a science person, if you belong to a science stream, it's not mandatory. You can go for if you have to go for BSc, then please prepare for BSc. If you are looking or if you are planning to go for BA, then please go for BA. If you want to apply in any MNC or any of the company, if you know how to operate Excel, teach others how to operate Excel or how to work in Excel. There are many skills, like if I'll talk about any of the company, including your Barclays Bank, including your this American Express, I would recommend you to go for Excel and as per your degree. And if you are looking for a job in banking sector, then I'll recommend you not to go for MNC or calling line, just because might be possible that you won't be able to get a job as a personal banker.